opening place for their safety. That next stop, everybody, is going to be back to Main Street Station. Before we do enter Main Street, we'll take a detour to the Grand Canyon and the primeval world. You are welcome to take pictures and videos as you like, but for the courtesy of those around you, no flash photography and no video lighting.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you're leaving us here, stay in your seat until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you
Alright everyone, we're now arriving at Main Street. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full stop. Shift the area to Disney California Adventure, Downtown Disney, the Disneyland Hotel, tracks to make different parking structures, and more. Please keep hands inside the train at all times. Once again, hands inside the train. Thank you. Exit station and the stairs only. Once again, folks, stairs only. No ramps, no elevators. Anyone have any strollers or wheelchairs, please keep it folded until you reach the bottom of the stairs. Thank you everyone for choosing the Disneyland Railroad. And then we'll come on board to those that have just joined us here at Main Street. We're now getting ready
aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. If you want to sit those of you who are leaving along with us, this is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Once again, friends, welcome aboard to those that have just joined us here in New Orleans Square. We're now getting ready to depart. Please remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs fully inside the train car while we are in motion. Parents and guardians, please keep an eye on small children, making sure that they are fully seated, either on the lap with an adult or all the way inside the train car, away from the steps or opening. Our next stop is going to be Mickey's Toontown Depot, your gateway to Fantasyland.
Joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Now entering the ride, welcome to Toontown by the Adventure. Take a sneak peek. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters.
Dear friends, I do need everyone fully seated at this time. This does include small children. They need to be fully on the lap of an adult. They cannot be standing in between your legs or sitting in between your legs. They need to be on the lap or on a bench in this class, please. Thank you.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America, entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Here's just very good party.
There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these hired horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving home,
We're now arriving at the Eastern House. Well, these remain fully suspended until the train passes through the full and complete stop line. And from the yard out to the Express World, we have the light railway line down into the Disneyland Railway. And of course, the best day ever. Thank you, like over here at our annual Morrison traffic. And from the remain fully suspended until the train passes away full and complete stop along the platform trail.
Tomorrowland Station and Morrison Station can be seated at this time. And now you're ready. I think you can have it now. Thank you.
hello everyone! Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Gathercole Mountain. Steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come